Day,
Yung
which is a
Wednesday
big
pa
deal
lang,
because the
may
last guy
diba?
died on Thursday. We're covered. Anyway, now that you know the ropes, defuse this bomb before we all die.
Hoy! Ay, si Pipa, nakakalimutan mo.
Mela, yung bill mo.
Event after 2002.
Share yung bill mo.
Pinang pa ba? Switch.
Wala.
Dulo.
Cut all or before.
Ano yung
Add
mag-umpisa?
the bomb.
Kaya ka.
Before
Buti pa si Melo. Diretso lang. Actually. Wala yung lang. Pero yung iba dyan. Ay, hindi ko lang yung
So weak.
Yung beer na lang.
You're getting so good with these bombs. But unfortunately, poor Dante has for you.
Oh.
Filing. Oh, and if you get something wrong, the filing cabinet will blow up. Yeah, I know. But
Anong
seriously,
gawin sa akin, ginagawa ko sa iba. Alam mo kahit ganito ako, alam ko may sinasabi ko. Kain ba to? Hoy, Melay, sa'yo to. Masyado po ako sa game Grabe
R-E.
Sabog!
Fat finger.
R-I.
Ba't siya ulit pumipindot?
There was this hilarious moment in my improv show when the mom walked in on these two senators and she said, I guess you had to be there.
Oh, I'm sorry about that filing of something. I have a much easier defusing these 3 bombs before they kill everyone in the office.
Isa kaya naman. Susunod.
Ano naman, kung nangyayari.
Page 2 is supposed to say add, not even. Add by one, meaning add.
Wow, ako nga sumusunod sa'yo.
1 and 3.
Grabe tayo may mga tago yung sa kanila po.
O sige, kalahati mo yan.
Wow. O sige.
Ito na lang, wala.
Hindi mo na yung sinabi niya yan. Nagkakalat.
Yung baso.
Kalahati yung baso.
Okay.
Pili ka naman. Nagsaday lang ka ba? Ha?
The bomb was
Wala ang laki.
Hoy, nakatagay na kayo yung kulang. Sabi ka. Sa kanila, ano ka ba?
That's all it was. So the bomb was made in 1999.
Oo, ano mo.
Parang gusto nga lang eh.
Balik.
No.
Kayo din.
Ayan, marami. Hindi, kuya, ayoko na practice nila. Kasi ko na.
Nagkakabaya na. Ayaw na
Hindi,
ako.
Lahat.
Balik.
Kuya, ayoko na practice.
Kasi if the bomb was made in
Ano ko naman?
Grabe, mga tayo na dito. Sa akin, nakagpas
Cut all red. Cut all red wires.
What? Wala akong pakailan.
Red wires.
Ayusin mo ha.
Oo, sige.
Ayusin mo
O,
ha.
tumawag ka. Dayaan to.
Okay.
Bilang nagmumura ako.
Kasi naman ko yung
Blue wires is the letter, correct? Blue. Otherwise, not that blue. So 1 and 4. Cut the third wire. 1, 3, 4. Cut the third wire. 1, 3, 4. No, 1 and 4 lang. Cut black wires if the bulb will end with a number. 1 and with a number, letter N. 1 and number. 1
Hindi mo na lang
and
yung Diego, no? Ang tagal-tagal mo.
Kimelan, hindi
Wala
pa.
Ha?
Bilisan mo.
Cut the third wire. Third wire.
With Martin shouting pa.
The president is getting another angrily written letter.
Hey, I'm Megan. Greg wanted you to take care of this one last bomb before you go. It's a little more complicated than what you're used to. I hope you don't kill us all. I don't want to be a ghost yet.
Ready? Page 1. Cut all wires that are not black.
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 4. Page 3 has a typo. Please swap the numbers 1 and 4. 1, 2, 4. Prioritize cutting wires in all these other 4, 3, 1, 4.
So 1,
Oh, Diego.
4, 1, 2. 4, 1. Wala na.
ang bagal ko!
Ay, Mela, hindi ka namuntog dito.
Kulang kami ng time.
Ang bagal ko, sorry.
Kasi hindi naman mo sila dinadaya. Parang hindi dinadaya ko.
Ano na naman?
Ano yung problema? Ano
Mabagal ako.
Next. Next.
Naubusan kami ng time.
May time eh.
Mali mo naman.
Wala na kasi.
Tapos maabutin mo sa akin.
You made it through your first day, which is a big deal because the last guy died on his first day here. Poor Trevor. Anyway, now that you know the ropes, defuse this bomb before we all die.
Dito ka lang matutulog, di ba?
Cut wire 3, finish it. No. Cut 4 wire suggestion. Wire 2.
Uwe.
Nag-aantay sa akin.
1.
Kala nyo.
Uwe.
Hindi. Text. Lagi ng tawag. Pero...
Ayan, yung dalawang team natin. Ay, masama na sa board.
Teka lang!
Nasa ng party na yan.
3, 4, 5. Ay, lima yun na. 5, 6.
Philip, hindi naman tayo balik ko doon hihintay para matuloy natin.
6.
Cut dahil dito, cut wire 3.
May nayata yung bomb squad
Wala kasi no.
Kaya may bomb squad
Pero
na.
dahil sa number 3, kailangan na rin. So parang ano? Super sabihin.
Sayaw kayo na sayaw. Inom na kayo.
Lalo kayo malalasig yan.
Hey, welcome back. You made it through your first day. Died on his first day. Poor Trevor. Anyway, now that you know the ropes, defuse this bomb before we all die.
26.
Hindi yata kayo ng dalawa
If there is a yellow wire present, cut the first wire. 1. If there's a blue wire present, cut the second wire. 2. If there's a red wire, cut the fourth. 1 and 2.
1, 2, 3, 1.
I put this whole thing on Periscope.
You're getting so good with these bombs, but unfortunately, I have much more fun to task for you. The pilot had to pull up. Yeah, I know, it sucks. Good luck.
Pag umibot kayo, parang umupol.
Para sa business pala dito eh. 5,
S.
Someone has been stealing all the pens. Why are we talking about the missing pens? I know people say I know too much. Oh, no, they don't. Yes, they do.
Sorry about that fight. Somebody has to do it. Using these 3 bombs before they kill everyone in the office.
Parang ang ina ng Philip, rock friend, rock. Parang ang ina ng Philip, pero ba? Ano ba ang ina ng pinta sa ako ng
Wala ko ba kayo?
mas maganda.
4.
Kasi doon natin.
Yeah.
Not the fifth wire.
It's not all wires party yan. 5 and 4. Next to 5. Wala namang wire. Yan next to 5.
Round 3, 4.
4. Pero dami na. One cut on at one and supposed to say even. 2 and 4. Do not cut one. Even if one takes one says that you should. No, that's it. Cut.
3, only 3. Balik mo yan.
2 and 4, even it. Even is supposed to say even. Cut all even.
Taas na naman. Taas, grabe na.
Konti na, konti na.
2 and 4. 2 and 4 pa din.
Konti na, konti na. Last one.
Okay. Cut off even. Wires ito ba? After 1986, correct. So, then, cut off at wires ito ba was made before 1987?
Oo nga. Hindi ako yan.
Even. 24.
Sino ba nanalo? Nanalo ko ba kayo?
Hello.
4 lang. 4 lang.
Even if another, do not cut the first one.
Sabi, alam mo sabi ni Abby?
Ay, ano na yan?
Abby, ang lakas mo ha?
Hindi ako yan.
Ano, Wednesday na?
I died before I told everybody how I think Game of Thrones is gonna end.
We haven't met. I'm Negan. Greg said to defuse this bomb. It might be more complicated.
Last na lang yata eh.
Don't screw up. I have dinner plans.
Cut even worse if they are white.
Napindot agad.
Wala na time. No more time.
Hindi, napindot yata.
Di wala.
Ayan, okay. They're white.
Napindot yata.
Zero tayo.
Ano ka itong bomb squad natin?
Dead na tayo.
Wednesday.
Finish China.
Hey, welcome back. You made it through your first day, which is a big deal because the last guy died on his first day here. Poor Trevor. Anyway, now that you know, let's defuse this bomb before we all die.
Oo, kasi yung mag-games na ako. Hindi ko ano ba ito? Ayaw ko naman yung...
Which one? If the bomb was made in 2008, three red, white, or green. So, 1, 3, 4. Cut all green wires, 1, 3, 4. Cut all yellow wires. Lahat. If the bomb was made in 2003. Wala. 1, 3, 4. Lahat.
Ganyan, hindi kayo. Mas mababa din ah.
Okay.
You're getting so good with these bombs, but unfortunately, I have a much more daunting task for you.
Sabi ko mas mababa ngayon, mas mataas.
Oh, and you get some of these the filing cabinet block. Yeah, I know, it sucks. Good luck.
Ang person, ang person. Person? San? No?
Ay!
Tagal yung pinit talaga.
I'm getting really into this by the wind book. Yeah, everybody thinks they're going to heaven, but if I die and see half of these jerks up there, I'm gonna be pretty pissed off.
Yeah.
Sorry about that filing. What year is this? Oh, I have a much easier task for you. Defusing these 3 bombs before they kill everyone in the office.
Tuesday pa rin tayo ah.
Pag nag-birthday na yun,
Supposed to say add na calculation. 1 and 3.
Page 2 supposed to say odd.
Yeah.
Cut odd wires.
1 hour.
Release sa'yo ka na
Second wire, even if the mirror na ito, nakakaya ka yan. Cut all the wires, 1, 3, 4.
Ayan, sasayo na tayo.
Choreography. Tapos na ba ibang steps?
Okay, cut the third wire.
Yung first
One and three.
Wires, if the bomb's model ends with a number, yes. Otherwise, do not cut the number.
So, I'm
Cut
back
the
that.
third wires if the bomb's model ends with a letter.
2 and 3.
Ano, 2 weeks?
Cut third wires if the bomb's model ends with letter 2. Otherwise,
So, it's
wire 4.
4.
Hindi na maubusan na yung time.
4.
2 and 3.
Veronica, go! Ani,
Cut the third wire.
Oo.
Cut the black wire if the number comes before the beat.
Tama yan, maubusan na natin yung time.
2. Go.
pagpusan na lang ng wire.
Hindi na Okay, dali ito. Right to left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, cut 1, 3, if it is yellow, no. Cut all wires adjacent to wire 4, 3, no. Wala. Ay, hindi pwedeng wala.
1.
Maganda na. Bakit sumabog ka naman?
20, 21 yellow.
Reload Tuesday na.
Ano eh?
Mas bago ba?
Pili ko 3 lang.
Guys,
Kita lang.
sumabog pa rin.
No.
If it is cut one, if it is yellow.
Kasi nga sabi dito yung number na cut all wires adjacent to.
Ano yun?
Hindi naman natin kahit konti lang.
Hey, welcome back. You made it through your first day, which is a big deal because the last guy died on his first day here. Poor Trevor. Anyway, now that you know the ropes, defuse this bomb before we all die.
Hindi bawas na din. Lalaki kilos, lalaki.
Ito muna.
Huwag mo nga ako tingin, gago ka eh.
Okay, one. There's a blue wire present on the third wire.
Di ba naman magsayaw si Philip?
There's a red wire present on the fourth wire.
Kamusta naman kami?
1, 8, 4.
You're getting so good with these games, but unfortunately, I have a much more daunting task for you.
Hindi, napanood ko lang. Mapanahon mo yun.
If you get something wrong, the filing cabinet will yeah, it sucks.
May charger ka ba?
Di ba naman magsayaw si Philip?
Ano ba kasi?
Ay.
Puta ka, di ba naman magsayaw?
7, 8,
Kala ko pa yung malaki lang na tawag G.
Malambot yung out yan. Ganun mo na.
I,
Ano? Tapos? J. 1, 2,
J,
3,
A, M,
4. 1,
I'm happy to be alive because I don't know who would feed my cats.
I don't know what you call them, but they are mighty comfortable.
Those are called
Saan mo beer ka? Ano ba muna?
Yun yung tayo nyo.
Eh, kaya ginawa niya una.
Eat the alphabet.
Wala nyo ka. Sige, gawin mo.
Diffusing these three bombs before they fall into the box.
Gago ka. Next ako.
Hindi. Gusto ko yung nakakapit.
Sinong last
half
eh?
tayo. Wala.
Sinong last eh?
Teka lang. Cut all wires. There's the wire
Isip niya may plastic eh.
2, 3,
Kaya
4, 5. Pero dili.
Mga daw parang sila
Three
imulit.
and 5 na. Cut the fifth wire. 3 and 5 wire.
8. Oh, diba? Oo.
Ano pala si Philip? Nanaikot pa. Tungkol sa mga kamay. Oh, bilang.
1, di ba? 1.
Alam mo, upay namin mo. Nakita mo ko.
Kamay mo. Hindi mo isa.
Wait lang. Focus